Last year was the worst year of my life. All because I lost the state science fair. Well, this year's gonna be different. I'm gonna do something to prove once and for all that I, Max Zeinfeld, am a genius.
On 11. In our top story of the night, President Mooney finishes his campaign for re-election in the Big Apple this evening before heading back to Washington. In other news, 15-year-old Susie Jenkins is still missing after 3 days. Kidnapped from a Bronx playground, authorities are asking you, have you seen this little girl? If you have any information leading to the arrest of those responsible, please contact the police.
What is it?
You're looking at a Class 2 ultrasonic particle flux fibrillation emitter, capable of projecting ultra-hi-fi bursts of frequency-focused transient pulses of pure sinusoidal sound. It's the Sound Blaster. Hey, be careful! Stop fooling around, Snot. It's not one of your toys. Now check this out.
My balls! Thank you.
Being a genius isn't enough. You've got to prove it.
Nobody gets it. Right, son?
Hello.
Give your mother a kiss. It's the least you can do.
She's not my mother.
In my house, she is.
Don't you get it, man? I was supposed to see her. These kinds of things, they don't just happen. They're meant to happen.
I know I don't know as much about this stuff as you do, but I'm pretty sure that this is something that the cops usually handle.
The cops? The cops!
Yeah.
Those assholes? I knew you were gonna say that. I knew you were gonna say that, man. Do you think these criminals, these fucking scum, We'll stay in prison after your loyal fucking guardians have returned little Miss Susie back to her nuclear fucking family? We could be heroes. You and me, we could pull this off. We could do this. With this. This is our golden ticket. Together. You and me, we can do this. We're gonna be on the front page of the New York fucking Times. And if it doesn't work out, I'll buy you lunch on Saturday.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, due to circumstances, we have to do this today. Are you with me, Snot?
I don't like people calling me Snot, man. I don't want to be called Snot no more.
Well, maybe you shouldn't pick your nose anymore.
I just want to have friends, man. I want people to like me.
Okay, so what do you want to be called?
Max.
Man, that is my name!
What?
There cannot be two Maxes!
Come on, why not? Max and Max. Max and Max.
Because it just doesn't make any fucking sense.
All right, fine. But you know what? You better stop listening to this bullshit music, all right? Put in some real fucking music. And by the way, that golden ticket shit, that was gay.
Wait. There's no wait. There's a place, man.
I need a minute, okay?
No, there's no minute. This is the fucking place. Come on. Welcome to DEFCON 4, Mr. President. You disgusting motherfucker! This is the guy they sent to represent us?
America. I come into your homes tonight with grim news. Our president, Bruno Dennis Mooney, is dead. Where can we be safe? I ask you. Lock your doors, I urge you. Keep on the lookout for suspicious behavior. And remember, stay tuned to Channel 11 for your local terrorism coverage. Be safe. Be strong. Thank you. Good night.
It's a shame who's to blame, but blame is all part of the game. Chow chow, but this versus media pressure, jury corrupt, Jason March definitely has a weight problem. And now that woman is dead, 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 go, go, go. The children might hear you, I might think you're a homo, I might think you're a homo, worse might think I'm a homo. If a man is standing around my house and I'm crying with a go, 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 she is dead, dead, dead. Voluptuous blonde secretary, CC.